5 financial rules for men this year. Number 1, don't rush and build without a strong financial foundation. Stop the building right now and build a business. Build a solid business. Business that will be giving you money every day. Business that will be giving you more money. When the business is not giving you money, when the business is not giving you more money, you cannot start your building. Even on process of the building, you can still be making more money in your business. Even after the building, you can still be making more money in your business. Even when you are even sleeping, you can still be making more money in that business. Even at your old age, you can still be making more money in that business. So my dear, if you are planning to build and you know very well that you don't have a strong financial foundation, then don't rush so that you will stop on the way, so that you will stop on process. Just take your time and build a nice business for yourself so that when the business is not giving you money, you cannot start your building and complete your building without any problem. Even after the building, you can still be making more money every blessed day. Number 2, don't date an empty-minded woman. Don't date a woman that will only ask you for demand and consume. Look for a woman that has vision, a woman that is supportive. Look for a woman that will support you mentally, a woman that will support you emotionally, a woman that will support you even financially. Look for that woman. If you have a such woman in your life, the woman will always be ready to support you anytime when you need her. But if you date a woman, or if you have a woman that will only ask you for demand and consume, with all your money, that woman will finish it within some short period of time. But if you look for a supportive woman, if you look for a woman that have vision, that woman will support you. That woman will multiply your finance. That woman will even encourage you when you are even giving up. That woman will lift you up when you are going down. That woman will always be there for you, even when things are even going bad, even when things are even going down. The woman will do everything possible best to support you. Look for that woman. Don't look for a woman that will only ask you for demand and consume. Look for a supportive woman. That woman will always be there for you. Yes. Number 3, always take good care of your health. This looks simple, but it means a lot. My dear, let me tell you something. If you are rich, if you are successful, but you don't have good health, you always run from hospital to hospital. You always jump from hospital to hospital because of sickness. With all your money, sickness will swallow all your money. With all your properties, sickness can let you sell all your properties and spend the money on that your health condition. So as you're busy chasing for money every day, also have time for your health. Always go to hospital to run some lab tests about your health. Eat good food. Take good care of yourself. My dear, if you have money and you also have good health, you will see the beauty of your life. You will enjoy the way that you want on this earth. But if you have money and you don't have good health, you will never see the beauty of your money. You will never see the beauty of your health. So it's always good for you to take good care of yourself. If you have good life, you have good life, and you have money, you enjoy the way that you want. So always know how to take good care of yourself so that you eat the fruit of your labor. Yes. Number 4, don't date a woman because of her big breasts. Don't date a woman because of her big nyash. Don't date a woman because of her beauty. My dear, let me tell you something. If you date a woman because of her beauty, if you date a woman because of her big breasts, if you date a woman because of her big nyash, I want to remind you that there is one day that beauty will fade. There is one day that breast will go down. There is one day that nyash will go down. Look for a good woman with a good heart, a good woman with a good character. If you have a good woman, the woman will always be there for you. Even when things are even going bad, the woman will always be there for you. The woman will do everything possible to support you. The woman will do everything possible to lift you up. The woman will do everything possible to let things work between you and her. But if you marry a woman or if you date a woman because of her beauty, because of her breast, because of her nyash, one day all those things will vanish. So my dear, if you want to go far in life, look for a woman that have good heart. Look for a woman that have good character. Look for a woman that is very good. That woman will always be there for you. That woman will always be ready for you to support you when you need her at any time. My dear, go for that woman. Don't look for a woman that will only ask you for demand and consume. Look for a good woman. That woman is good for you. Yes. Number 5, this year, try to save and invest. Don't always finish all your money. At least, even the money is even small, try to take part of the money and save, or try to take part of the money and invest about something that will help you in future, something that will help you at your old age, something that will help you at any time when you are in trouble. Don't always finish all your money and you'll be sitting with empty-handed, praying for another money to enter into your hand. If you are living a such life, it will be very difficult for you to progress. If you are living a such life, it will affect you at your old age. And by that time, it will be too late for you to address some certain things. So my dear, any money that you always get, try to take part of the money to invest about something. Try to take part of the money to do something meaningful for yourself so that it will help you today, it will help you tomorrow, it will help you at your old age so that you'll be proud of yourself at the end of the day. At the end of your old age, you'll be proud of yourself. If you are living a such life, if you are living that life, it will help you even at your old age. Yes. Don't forget to follow me. Like this video and share it.